Hi, my name's John and welcome to another Zeros Ones video. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of upgrading to the Windows 10 Creators Edition. I was just prompted, I just booted up my Windows 10 computer. It was currently running version 1607, and I was prompted with this prompt. And this is the beginning of updating to the Windows 10 Creators Edition. So I thought I'd document the process. So here we go. This is basically, you could click on remind me later if you don't want to do it right away, and it'll remind you in a few days. Or here, what we have to do is begin by reviewing our settings. So it starts by reviewing your privacy settings. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Review Settings, and let's begin the process of upgrading to Windows 10 Creators Edition or Creators Update. So I'm going to click on Review Settings. Okay, now I've got a lot of stuff off, locations off, speech recognition off. I'm doing this on a desktop, so I don't use a lot of these features. The only thing I have on is tailored experience with diagnostics data. Okay, it's good to me. I'm going to click on accept. And again, you can change these settings later. Let's see. Smart and related data transfers. I don't see anything here. Okay, I'm going to click on accept. We'll handle the update from here. It says there's some prep that needs to happen before the update will be installed. We'll be working behind the scenes for a while, and you can continue to work uninterrupted. You will be able to schedule the installation for a time that works for you. It won't start right now. Rest assured that you'll be notified before the update begins so you can save your files and data. Huh. All right, I'm going to click OK. It sounds like maybe the update isn't going to start. We'll see. And this is just something from Windows Defender. I'm going to clear that. Evidently, the update is not going to start. Yep, okay. And that's it. It'll be working in the background. Oh well. Let's see what happens here. If I go here, and I'm gonna do a restart, see what happens. Let's do a restarting. And we get the BIOS screen coming up. Okay, we should be just about back to the boot. All right, and I'm going in as administrator. Let's see if anything continues. Nothing yet. Well, I'm going to stop the video, and I guess I'll have to just try to restart it the next time something happens. So, well, that's it for now. That seems to be the first part, and we'll see what happens when something progresses. All right, I'll be back. All right, this is the second part of the process of installing the Windows 10 Creators Update. And it took about a day, and now I guess the update is ready after you've checked your privacy settings. And now if I come over here, again, this is the next day, and I come to Settings, Update, and here we have Featured Update to Windows 10 version 1703. That is the Creators Update. It says here, will automatically install updates when you aren't using your device, or you can install them now if you want. So I'm going to install it now. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to click on Install Now. And we are preparing to install. Again, we're updating from Windows version 1607 to Windows version 1703, the Creators Update. So this is probably going to take a while. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually pause the video, and I'll start it up again once we're a little bit further in the process. So let's do that. I'm going to pause the video. All right, most of the download is finished. Now we're preparing to install updates, and we're at 100%. So we're moving on to the next area in the update process to update to the Creators Update. And now it's just asking me to restart. So I'm going to click on Restart Now to finish it up. Okay. Restarting. Now configuring update for Windows 10. %, complete. Do not turn off your computer. 17% complete. %. Seems to be going pretty quickly, so I think I'll just let the video run on this one. 29% complete. %, complete in this section, going up to 32%. and 35% complete. Kind of stuck here at 35%. Hopefully it updates. I feel like I should tell a joke or something here. Still sitting at 35%. I'm showing hard drive activity though, so let's keep it here. Thinking about pausing the video again because we're kind of just sitting here at 35%. And I think I will. I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back when there's a change. Again, I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back when there's a change. A status change. Oh, here we go. I didn't pause the video. I did not pause the video, so now we just jumped up to 77%, 81%, so I'm going to just leave it run. Up to 89%, 96%. Getting close. %100 complete. So hopefully we get a reboot shortly. Still working on it. Here we go. Here comes the restart. Fingers crossed that everything went well. Well, so far the boot up's going normally. This section right here took a little longer. Uh-oh, here we go. Working on updates, 0%. Do not turn off your PC. this will take a while. Your PC will restart several times, it says on the screen. So again, yeah, this might take a while. Usually when they warn you that this might take a while, it takes a while. So let's see how it goes here. I'm going to leave the video run for a while. Lots of hard drive light activity. And we're working on the updates, 1%. Actually, I'm going to pause the video. I'll start it again if something changes. So again, I'm going to pause the video right here. We're at 2% working on updates. I'll be back. All right, it's now 11 minutes. I had the video off for 11 minutes recording, and we're now into the first reboot of the installation. Okay, and now it's saying here, working on updates, 30%. Do not turn off your PC. This will take a while. And it also says down here, your PC will restart several times. So again, that first reboot of the installation, it took about 11, 12 minutes of installing, and then we did that reboot. And now we're back, and we're 32% done with the update, according to the screen here. Working on updates, 32%. I'll pause the video again, and I'll come back. Oh, here we go. Here's our second reboot. Or that was just a little, it wasn't even a reboot. It was just kind of an on-off, a quickie something. And we're now up to 37%. And it was more just like a blank screen or a black screen. And that took place about 13, 14 minutes into the process. Now we're up to 42% of the update. I'm going to just let the video run for a while. See if anything happens. And we're up to 46%. And now we're up to 50%. I'm going to pause. I'm going to pause the video recording. We're up to 53%. And if something changes, I'll come back and start the recording again. But for now, I'm going to pause it here. We're about 53% through the updates. right, we now have a reboot. And that was about, I paused the video for about 5 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, and now we have our second reboot. And now we're up to 76% working on updates. So far, this segment of the process, this working on updates process, has taken a total so far of about 20 minutes. And we're 82% through it, according to the screen. 83%. 85% complete. I'm just letting the video run in real time. The video recording, I should say. I'm just letting it record in real time. I haven't paused. Up to 91%. Still running the update up to, it says it moved. We're still stuck at 91%. We're up to 95%. And again, I have not paused the video on this segment. Just letting it record real time. Watching the circling dots. 97%. $99. Okay. And okay, so in that segment, just to recap, I think we're there. Let's see, I'm gonna hit enter. That brings up the admin screen to log in. I'm gonna log in. And we're getting a hi. We've got some updates for your PC. And we're still working. This might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Oh, we get the breathing blue. Notice how it kind of breathes, gets dark, and then light. It's alive. All right, I'm going to let the video record real time. Let's see what happens. That last section that we did, we had, just to recap about running the update, we had a reboot. Well, we started with installing the update. It took about 11 minutes in, 11, 12 minutes in. Then we had a reboot. And then about, 4 minutes after the reboot, it continued with the update. And then we had a black screen just on and off. And then we had another reboot about 6 minutes after that. So we had 2 reboots and a black screen during that portion. So now here's a little information about the Welcome to Windows 10 Creators Update. There are a lot of new features packed into Windows 10. Start here. You want to go through this? All right, let's take a little look. Here's a feed. All right, so we have the faster, safer Windows 10 browser. Number 2, focus on what's important, something about mail. And we have the store. Create more with new apps from the store. Let's go see. I'm going to click on this, see what's new here. I think this will be about Edge browser. Yep. Microsoft Edge tips. Here's what's new. And I click back on this tab, and we are in Edge. Well, I notice some different icons up here on the browser, the Edge browser. And let's just do a quick check. I'm going to just minimize the browser. I'm going to launch my command prompt and check the version of Windows. So here we are. To check your version of Windows, you go to a command prompt and type in WinVer, W-I-N-V-E-R. And this screen will pop up. There it is, version 1703, build 15063.250. That's the latest, greatest from Microsoft, the Creators Update. All right. Let's do a quick look. Let's see what this, remember the thing about 3D, what was it? Paint? Where was that? Windows accessories. Yeah, the 3D paint. Let's just do a quick look and see if paint looks any different. Where is paint? Well, there's paint. Oh, here's Open 3D Paint. Here's a little something here. Well, look at that, 3D Paint. Okay. Oh, here's a 3D model. And then you can move it around, twist him around, expand him. Oh, here we go. Just a little something. Oh, we can rotate him this way, spin him. Huh. All right, well, that's it. This video was about updating to the Windows 10 Creators Update. So we completed that. That's the update. It actually, total time was about a half hour to get it done. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. And as always, thanks for stopping by.